Apps. Use the Apps tab to launch and quit apps on your computer remotely. The timer feature allows you to schedule those and other actions to a specific date and time, or after a defined time interval. Review or cancel pending actions in the More tab, Scheduled Actions page. Siri shortcuts provide you with an option to use voice commands to control apps on your computer. Manage Siri shortcuts using App Settings, Siri Shortcuts. Add to favorites to have quick access to your most used apps. And finally, use Menu View to invoke any of the app commands available from the app menu bar. You can also add those as Siri shortcuts or schedule them with Timer feature.